So the hard thing is there's no trail. We just gotta choose our own path. You getting hot, Clark? Yeah, you getting hot? No, it's about 110 degrees in St. George, but up here it's about 85 right now. Up in the mountains. Now that pine smell smells good. But our path's that way. You hear the water? Clarky! Yep, found the creek. Now we just follow this. Go, Fuzzy! Go, Fuzzy! Go! Yeah, go! He chases his own splashes. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Drink some cold water, huh?
Clean my socks out.
I know.
Fun thing to do at least.
Just following the mountain creek. Look at that. It's beautiful.
It's a pretty little waterfall.
Yeah.
Water area.
Mm-hmm. Got the spray paint on the tree. Yeah, definitely not the first ones up here, of course. Yes. It tricked you, Fozzie. You fell in all the way. Yeah, come on, Fozzie, come on. Come on, Fozzie. Come on, Fozzie, you can do it. Come on, Fozzie. Come on, Fozzie, come on. Be brave. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Fozzie, come on. Come on, come on. Maybe if he can see the rocks. Hey, Fozzie, look right here. Right here, look. Look right here, look. You can do it, Fozzie. Come on. Jump. Jump, jump, Fozzie, come on. Come on, come on. Jump. Do it, jump, jump. Come on, you can do it. Oh, good jump. Yeah, good jump. Oh, he's excited now.
I did it!
This is a good ropes course.
Yeah, exactly. Good job, Clark. Look how it just disappears underneath this rock. Whoa. Good balancing skills. Don't leave me. Neat little waterfall. I think, yeah, we'll just keep backtrack and go up 5 feet above us and go up. Okay, come on, Clark. All right, leaving the drainage because it's kind of slow going. We're gonna go a little bit higher up outside the drainage. What do you think so far?
It's beautiful, but
So tired?
I'm not a fan of bushwhacking.
It does get tiring.
Yeah.
But this isn't the worst bushwhacking I've seen, for sure.
Yeah.
Like MIA, if you get off course, you're bushwhacking like crazy. Fozzie! Fozzie!
Fuzzy! Right here!
Yep, over here, Fozzie. Oh! Crazy bushwhacking though.
Yeah.
Slow and steady. Clark, where are you going? Hey Clark, we're going this way. Clark, we're going this way. Clark, come on, come on. Good boy, Clark. I just whacked Clark in the... Sorry, Clark. I just whacked you, huh? Sorry, Clark. Sorry, Clark. I'm sorry. Hey, no. Good boy, Clark. Yeah, good boy, Clark. You can do it, Clark. Come on. Clark, come on. Up here. There you go, Clark. Good boy. So it's right there. It might be a slow trickle at the base of the falls. And then it just gets absorbed underground, you know. Because it is flowing down there, of course, so there's water draining these mountains. But we're almost there. And this drainage is dry.
I'm eventually going that way. It's probably too thick for Fozzie and everybody else. Thorn bushes.
Oh, it's okay, Clark. It's okay. Up here, Clark. Come on, up here. I made it easier for you, Clark. Clark, just up here. Come on, you can do it. Clark, up here. Clark, come on, right here. And go. And go. Oh, good boy, Clark. Good boy, Clark. Check out those cliffs. That's pretty cool, huh, Clark? Yeah, that's cool looking. Keep going, Clark. That's refreshing though to a dog.
Yeah, that's pure mountain waters.
Clark, over here. No, Clark, over here. Clark. Yeah, over there. Good boy. And go up. And go up, Clark. Or over here, Clark. Come on, Clark.
That works too.
Nothing's up there, Clark. You can't get up that way. Hey, Clark, over here.
Clark, come on.
You gotta jump across, Clark. You gotta jump across. Okay, you ready? And go! Good boy. Well, it's within view. So it's right there. It might be a slow trickle at the base of the falls. And it just gets absorbed underground, you know. Because it is flowing down there, of course, so there's water draining these mountains. We're almost there. Does that feel nice, Clark? Yeah. Clark, over here. No. Clark, over here. Look, Clark. Over there, Clark, yeah. Yeah, over there, Clark, yeah. So there is water flowing after all. It just goes back underground for a while where we were just climbing on those rocks. That's cool. It's a big big waterfall right there. If it was flowing a lot higher. Hey Clark, what should we do? Should I boost you, Clark? Alright, I'm gonna boost Sarah up and then take Clark. Oh, don't mind me. Is it empty?
No, I just want
The first big obstacle. It's like a little oasis, huh, Clark? We're probably within 300 feet now. Yeah, the water flows for a second, disappears underground, resurfaces, reappears. Almost there. I see some snow right there too. In this little bowl. Good boy, Clark. Come on, Clark, come on, you can do it. Come on, Clark. Yeah, come on, Clark, you can do it. Good boy, Clark, yeah, good boy. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Good boy, Clark. You're so brave, a brave soldier. Almost to the base here. And just right here is it. Well, I made it to the base of the falls. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, and it goes up this way and curves up that way into larger potholes. So maybe like in early June, we could bring some ropes and rappel down this. It'd be a long way to bring some ropes. Yeah, look at that. There we go. You can almost down climb that, or up climb it actually. Yeah, so that's a little higher up for you. Comes down this little gorge. I'll bet that's cool to see when it's flowing. Just need to get a drone shot of that. But definitely paid the price. A lot of bushwhacking. Got stung by a bee. Saw a huge old rattlesnake. Hiking for about 3 hours. A little under 3 hours. And probably another hour and a half to get back to the car. But still a pretty cool adventure. And to be up here in the mountains. Yeah, so that's it from me up here in the Pine Valley Mountains of Utah. Have a good one.